everyone. This is your grammar lesson for Monday. I just want to pop in and say hello, but now I'm going to get rid of my face so you can see the whole screen. Okay, so a sentence is a group of words that tell a whole idea. So that means it makes sense. So let's look at this first sentence here. It says, Jan can play at school. I want you to read it with me this time and follow along. Jan can play at school. Does this sentence make sense? It does. So let's look at the beginning letter of this sentence. Do you notice that it is capitalized? You're right, it is. So at the beginning of a sentence, you need to make sure that the beginning letter is always capitalized. Now let's look at the end of the sentence. Do you notice anything at the end? You're right, it has a punctuation mark. So there's 3 types of punctuation: a period, which this sentence has, an exclamation mark, and a question mark. So let's go down to the second sentence. Let's read it. I like to play tag. Read it with me this time. I like to play tag. So let's go and check. Does it have a capital letter? You're right, it does. So let's check the end. Does it have a period? You're right, it does. That means it has all 3 criteria. So now let's go look at your homework. Okay, so we have 3 sentences at the top that we have to correct. So I'm going to do the first one with you. So go ahead and click on your text box and delete type here. So let's look at our first sentence. Let's read it together. The cat plays with the bag. Now you read it. The cat plays with the bag. Let's look at the beginning letter. Is it capitalized? No, so make sure you make it capitalized. So to make a capital letter on your keyboard, hold down the shift and hit the letter you are wanting capitalized. So now type the rest of the words. The cat plays with the bag. Let's look at the end of the sentence. Is it missing anything? You're right, it's missing the period. So let's go ahead and add that. So now I want you to do 2 and 3 by yourself, but I'm going to read them to you. So number 2, little hat. So it does have a capital letter and it does have a period, but does it make sense? Oh, you're right. Maybe that's what you need to fix. Number 3, I see a tan bat. So I see a tan bat. Has it a capital, but make sure you check the end. All right, that is our grammar lesson. Make sure when you turn it in, you hit the turn in button.